Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at JeepsterMan.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
So this is Amos, 1951 Willys truck. He's been on 3 epic Willys adventures. We put a flathead 6-cylinder motor in it. It's got the 3-speed trans, stock axles, pretty much everything about it's stock other than the fact that we swapped in that flathead 6. But Rusty and Trusty, who was a service station truck from St. Paul, Minnesota, we rescued him after sitting in a field for 35 years, about 8 years ago. And then 2016 was the first time that we took him out from here in Eau Claire to Moab, Utah, on the first epic Willys adventure.
Can I show him the inside?
Yeah.
Let's look inside. There's that epic logo.
Oh yeah. Our rugged radios for communication. Pretty Spartan interior. We have our documentation from the trips on the headliner.
Is this your air conditioner over here?
Yeah. It doesn't work really. It's now more for novelty. It's kind of fun though. We still have the plow for it. We don't use it anymore, but we still have all the controls in case we want to.
Yeah.
This is our hydration station. It's a little cooler. Also, it's where we keep the pony kegs for the kegerator, whether it's root beer for during the day or beer for at night. Stay hydrated. Little camp cooler, toolbox. It's still messy from the last epic. Usually we get them ready about 2 weeks before the next epic Willys adventure, so which is coming 2023. Stay tuned on that. But we got the exhaust stack, the flapper. This thing sounds like a really old semi truck when it's firing up idling. I love it. But it's a good workhorse. Gets the job done, and it turns a lot of heads.
It does. That's Phil's rig. That's Amos, right?
Amos?
That's the name, right?
Yeah, Amos Fedorowski.
Nice. To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the JeepsterMan, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.